Okay, so my neighbor's tearing up their yard, putting in a new addition. I had detected it before they started tearing it up and found a few old things dating back to the 1600s, right up into about the 1800s. And I was just working the walls here and just basically everything. And I was just scanning over here. I got a nice high tone right on the wall, so I kind of chipped away at it. And I'm almost positive that's going to be a shoe buckle. So I'm just going to start moving some things away. Oh yeah, that's definitely a shoe buckle. Yeah, it looks like it's all there too. Don't really want to break it just in case. I think it should be fine, but better be safe than sorry. Oh my God. Look at that. Yep. Knock that out. It looks like it's missing that the one piece, the shape maybe. Let me just real quick scan just in case it fell. But I figured this has got to be the trash pit. A lot of shells, brick, pieces of pottery. I'll check this real good. But either way, that is absolutely incredible. Beautiful, beautiful shoe buckle. What's better than that? Don't have too much sunlight left, so I barely just scratched the surface. Just working this little area right here. Just came along the wall, so definitely going to be focusing on this, which seems to be the trash pit. So I'm sure there'll be more stuff.